Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a discount code on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned eBay veteran or a newcomer, applying coupon codes can sometimes be a bit tricky. So let's go through the process to make your shopping experience more affordable and enjoyable. Start by opening up your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in eBay and hit Enter. When the search results appear, click on the first link that takes you directly to the eBay homepage. Make sure you're visiting the authentic site to ensure a safe shopping experience. Safety tip: look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar to make sure the site is secure. Avoid entering personal information on sites that don't show this. Once you're on the eBay homepage, you'll notice the sign-in option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an eBay account, simply log in with your credentials to proceed. In case you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first before moving forward. Having an account allows you to track your orders and manage your purchases efficiently. Fill out your shipping and payment info ahead of time to speed up checkout, especially during sales or limited-time offers. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the item you'd like to purchase. You can use the search bar to look up specific products, or you can browse through the categories if you're still deciding. Once you've found the item you want, take a moment to read the description, review the seller's feedback, and ensure that the item meets your requirements. When you're satisfied, click on the item to view more details. With the item page open, the next step is to add the item to your shopping cart. You'll find the Add to Cart button right below the item's price. After adding it to your cart, a pop-up might appear, giving you options to continue shopping or to proceed to checkout. Here, you should select Checkout to move forward with your purchase. During the checkout process, you'll come across a section labeled Gift Cards, Coupons, eBay Bucks. Here is where your discount magic happens. Scroll down to find this section, and you'll see a text box inviting you to enter your discount code. Carefully type in your code, ensuring there are no spaces or errors, as these codes are often case-sensitive. Once you've entered the code, hit the Apply button. eBay will validate the code, and if it's valid, you should see a deduction in your total amount reflecting the discount. If the code doesn't work, double-check expiration dates, item eligibility, and any minimum purchase requirements. These are the most common reasons discounts fail. Finally, to complete your purchase, click on Confirm and Pay. This will finalize your order with the adjusted total, and you'll receive an email confirming your purchase shortly after. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a discount code to your eBay purchase. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of your discount codes, as they often have expiration dates or may apply only to certain products. Happy shopping and enjoy your savings. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. We share more insider tips on saving money online every week.